question that we often get is, why do we recommend the use of citric acid to buffer our tank water before we add our products? And it's fairly straightforward again as to why this happens. So we'll go into our structure of chitosan. You got that. And here is our amine group, which is where all the pH behavior comes from. When we're adding citric acid is a 6-carbon structure, and I'm not going to bother drawing it out, but we'll just call it citrate plus. It has an H plus hydrogen ion component to it, and it's very soluble. It's soluble just as much as sugar is. With our citric acid, what we have here, it's an ion in solution, and we have the hydrogen ion component, which is the acid part, and then we have the conjugate base, the citrate, which is negatively charged. And chitosan on its own is actually another conjugate base. And when we combine citric acid with the chitosan, the hydrogen ion is attracted to that amine group because it's automatically got a negative charge. And the citrate conjugate ion is attracted to this overall thing. So what we're essentially having here is a sort of an acid-base reaction, which creates in chemistry a salt. So you have chitosan citrate as the corresponding salt that you're generating when you're adding the citric acid to your tank mix. So the citric ion, the citrate ion, actually can carry three available H pluses per molecule. And when we're adding this citrosan to our mix tanks, we're doing two basic things. One, citrate itself is a very good chelator. So the mineral content that's in either the hard water or other substances that happen to be in there can be chelated by the citric acid, as well as the citric acid complexing with the chitosan, forming the chitosan citrate salt. And this is all part of the sort of basic chemistry that's going on inside of your mix tank as you're mixing in and pre-treating the tank mix with citric acid and then adding our material afterwards. So we've sort of gotten all the other components behaving by being chelated, and then we put in our materials and we have a nice stable mix for you guys to go out and spray.